Hi everybody, I'm Amy May. Let me be perfectly clear. I don't know if any of you are familiar with the term masking. Masking is something that people do when they put on a mask, per se, because they are hiding something, because they don't want the outside world to see whatever that might be. I do that often. Reason being is I'm actually disabled. I have some disabilities that I try very hard to push through each and every day in order to actually have some sort of quality of life. Now, I was so ready to join this program because of so much trauma, PTSD, and severe anxiety, severe depression, severe PTSD, CPTSD, you name it, as a child and growing up in my younger adult years, that I really simply didn't think I could go through with it. The opportunity came to me on October 24th of 2025, and I had less than 12 hours to make a decision. And I made that decision and started class October 25th. Now, I get so emotional discussing this because throughout school, you have your coaches, you have your band instructors, you have your favorite teachers. When you get into the career world, you have your mentors that are always those people that stand by you and they help guide you. I had a mentor in school in my younger years that let me down. And then I had an adult mentor in my career world that I still talk to this day. And then I had another adult mentor that just became my best friend and has an unmatched love of mine to this day. What I love, hands down, is the instruction. I would recommend this program to anybody that is on the fence about trying to decide on what to do with their life. Anybody that is on the fence about what it is that they want to do, even if they're unsure. Because guess what? You miss 100% of the steps that you don't take. And if you don't take it, you never know if you're going to make it. All the times that I sat at home and cried, thinking I was not going to make it through this program, all the times that I was so against myself and fought and was so scared that I was never going to make it through the next step, my instructor talked me through it. My instructor held my hand, pulled me through that dark time. The hands-on approach that she took with me and with the rest of our class was so incredible. She was able to help me and everyone else guide ourselves and picked up our self-esteem and picked up our confidence to feel comfortable walking into this workforce and to feel comfortable talking to her about the things that scared us. I have a undeniable fear of needles. Tattoos, piercings, all day long. Medical needles, absolutely not. Now, I'm the first person to volunteer to take blood. I'm the first person to volunteer to give blood as long as I'm hydrated. I'm no longer scared. I can do that, and I'm comfortable doing that. In honor of her today, let me get into character for you, okay? This is out of the ordinary. This is what I call my Wendy wig. Wendy is my instructor. She's our little firecracker redhead. And today, I am honoring her because today, less than 30 days from graduating as a certified medical assistant, I have this badge that I wear proudly. I have my stethoscope that I check in on my patients proudly. I have my hearts. I have my stethoscope bracelet. I have my hearts on my ears. Her favorite color is pink. I've got my pink lips. I do have purple eyeliner, but hers is blue. And I got my firecracker red hair. And let me tell you, I have my emotional support pink cup. And today I'm gonna walk into this class and I'm gonna do it with honor and I'm gonna do it with pride. And I know that I'm gonna sit down with the rest of my classmates and I'm gonna soak up every bit of the possible information that I can. And I'm gonna make her proud because she's not there today. I know that next class, I'm gonna be able to tell her everything that I learned. And that's what's most important, so that when I do graduate, and I walk out into the workforce, I'm going to be able to make her proud then too, because it's the instructors that carry us through this program. So when you bond with your team and in your class and you bond with your instructors, you make those friendships last. So even if this is a mask, even if you're feeling some type of way, it's okay. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to be unsure about what it is that you want to do. but you're going to miss 100% of the chances that you don't take. So if you have questions, these people know how to reach me. I'm okay with them giving you my information. I will give you the raw opinion, but I'm telling you, you want to do this. And now it's my job to go out here in this world to help people that don't think they're going to make it. That's my responsibility, and it's yours too.